Ever wish money just flowed in even while you sleep? Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your financial future is secure, all while you dream away. That's the power of passive income. It's not just a fantasy, it's a financial strategy that can change your life. It's about creating income streams that work for you, not the other way around. Whether it's through investments, rental properties, or online businesses, the goal is to build a system where your money makes more money. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales, dividends, or rent payments. Each notification is a step closer to financial freedom. Sounds good, right? But how do you get there? It starts with education and planning. Understanding the different types of passive income and how they can fit into your life is crucial. Let's dive in and make this dream a reality. We'll explore various passive income streams from stocks and bonds to real estate and digital products. We'll also discuss the importance of setting financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them. Education is key. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Read books, attend seminars, and seek advice from financial experts. Start small if you need to. Even a modest investment can grow over time. The important thing is to start. Imagine the possibilities. More time for family, travel, and pursuing your passions. Passive income can provide the freedom to live life on your terms. So, are you ready to wake up richer? Let's embark on this journey together and turn your financial dreams into reality. The time to start is now. Your future self will thank you. Passive income is money you earn without having to be actively involved all the time. It's the kind of income that allows you to make money while you sleep, relax, or pursue other interests. You set it up once and it keeps generating income even while you're sipping lemonade on a beach, enjoying the sun, or traveling the world. This doesn't mean no work at all. In fact, it often requires a significant amount of effort and planning up front. It means building something valuable up front that continues to pay off over time. This could be anything from writing a book, creating an online course, investing in stocks, or even starting a blog. Think of it as planting a money tree. You nurture it initially, and once it's grown, it bears fruit season after season. Real estate is another popular form of passive income. By renting out properties, you can earn a steady stream of income with minimal ongoing effort. Digital products like ebooks, software, and online courses can also generate passive income. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly without much additional work. Investments in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds can provide dividends and interest, adding to your passive income streams. Automation and technology play a big role in passive income. By setting up systems that run on their own, you can free up your time for other pursuits. The ultimate goal of passive income is to give you the freedom to live life on your own terms, doing what you love without worrying about money. So start thinking about how you can create your own passive income streams. It might take time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the possibilities when your money works for you and you have the freedom to enjoy life to the fullest. Remember, passive income is like planting a money tree. With the right care and attention, it will continue to grow and provide for you year after year.
Investing is like planting seeds for your financial future. You put money into stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, and they grow over time. Dividends are like the fruit of your investments, paying you regularly. It takes time and knowledge, but the rewards can be amazing.
Real estate is a classic way to generate passive income. For centuries, people have turned to property investment as a means to secure their financial future. The concept is simple yet powerful. Own a piece of real estate and let it generate income for you over time. Whether it's a single family home, a duplex, or an apartment complex, the potential for steady cash flow is immense. Buy a property, rent it out, and voila, monthly income. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your bank account grow each month as tenants pay their rent. This income can help cover the mortgage, property taxes, and maintenance costs, with some left over for you. It's a win-win situation. Tenants get a place to live, and you get a steady stream of income. It's not just about houses. Think commercial spaces like office buildings, retail stores, and warehouses. These properties can offer even higher returns, especially in prime locations. Businesses are always looking for the perfect spot to set up shop, and if you own that spot, you can benefit from long-term leases and stable tenants, parking spots, even land. Yes, even a simple plot of land can be a goldmine. Whether it's for future development, agricultural use, or simply holding on to it until its value increases, land can be a versatile and profitable investment. Parking spots in busy urban areas can also be a lucrative venture, providing a steady income with minimal maintenance. Research and planning are key. Before diving into real estate, it's crucial to understand the market, evaluate potential properties, and develop a solid investment strategy. This involves analysing market trends, property values, and rental rates. Consulting with real estate professionals and financial advisors can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. But the potential is huge. With the right approach, real estate can offer significant returns on investment. Property values tend to appreciate over time, and rental income can provide a reliable source of cash flow. Successful investors often diversify their portfolios, owning a mix of residential, commercial, and land properties to maximize their earnings. Real estate offers a tangible and often reliable way to grow your wealth. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is a physical asset that you can see and touch. It provides a sense of security and stability, knowing that you own something of value. Plus, real estate can be a hedge against inflation, as property values and rental income tend to rise with the cost of living. With the right strategy, your money can find a new home and work for you. By carefully selecting properties, managing them effectively, and staying informed about market conditions, you can build a successful real estate portfolio. This can lead to financial independence, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of passive income and long-term wealth growth. So take the plunge into real estate and watch your money grow in its new home. Write once, earn forever royalties and digital products. Have a skill or knowledge to share, or music, online courses, create ebooks. Every sale means passive income for you. This is about leveraging your expertise. Once your product is out there, it can keep earning for you 24/7. Affiliate marketing, recommend and earn. Love a product, become an affiliate, you promote it, people buy through your link and you earn a commission. It's like being a brand ambassador, but way more accessible. Find products you believe in and share them with your audience. Your first steps towards passive income. Start small, don't get overwhelmed. Choose one area that excites you and learn the ropes. Invest in your education. Learn as much as you can about the topic. Read books, take courses, and learn from experts. Knowledge is your most powerful asset. Real people, real success. Countless individuals have achieved financial freedom through passive income. They started small, learned, and persevered. You can find their stories online, in books, and even in your community. Let their journeys inspire you. Start building your dream today. Passive income is within your reach. It takes effort, learning, and consistency, but the rewards are life-changing. What are you waiting for? Subscribe below for more tips and share your passive income goals in the comments. Let's do this.